the recording is already going. Allow me to share my screen right now as we dive in to the business of the day. I hope you can see my screen, please. So, please, can you see my screen?
Go ahead. It's visible.
Yes, I can see.
Good, thank you. Thank you. All right. So, I'll firstly want to go to straight to the point of the normal signal we are used to. The normal signal we are used to. We've attended, many of us that have been able to attend one or two Zoom session before. We have been shown this particular signal we are very used to, and this is it right there. All right. So I'll dive into that site right away. For me, one of the strategies I normally use coming down to this signal page, I think there's not even any signal available right now. Okay, no, it's still loading. So one of the strategies I normally use coming down to this signal page, when I got started then, because of the experience and the way I am, my knowledge and understanding of how many coins, especially shit coins and all these meme coins, how they react, I find it difficult to always enter all these ordinary coin signals when I see them. Even though they've not pumped like those ones we are seeing right here, 22%, 18%, it don't really move me like this zero arrow that's on 4% now. In short, all these ordinary coins don't normally move me. It's why because I'm not familiar with. Like WLFI, I'm very familiar with WLFI very well. World Liberty, this thing. I'm familiar with it. So I normally come here to come and look for some top 50 coins in the market. Top 50 coins. Yes, fine. The robot has done a lot of research in picking many doing his analysis and its thing before giving out all these signals. At the same time, I don't like coming here to jump into any coins. It's based on my own principle, with my knowledge and understanding of the market. So I normally come and look for coins like Solana. Hey, excuse me. I normally come and look for coins like Solana. This. You can see Solana here. Coins like Pengu, WLLD. These are strong coins. SEC. This SEC. Habs. These are coins. These are top 100 coins in the crypto market world. That's my own number one rule in coming down here to pick signals. So whenever I come here and I did not see any of these top quality coins, out of all these signals, I don't pick any one of them as a signals to trade in this part of manual signal side. Before you even go to the second side, you see that second signal part I'm going to explain to us. That one is strictly first 6 coin. Strictly first 6 coin. So that will clear a lot of many of us fear. I understand the fear, where the fear is coming from. I understand. Yes. And when you are trading in future, one of the first thing you can be very careful of in taking away your fear, some percentage out of your fear away, is number 1 rules, which is what I'm showing us now. Strictly look for top quality coins. If you want to really be at peace and you don't want to have unnecessary panic and headache for yourself, strictly be disciplined enough. Other signals of other coins might be attracting you, but if you can be very disciplined enough to strictly look at those top 50 coins out of all these signals the robot is providing. No matter what, you will see like 3 or 4. That one is show like the one I see on screen now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even Inge is still one of the good coins as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think this is Google. This is newly launched, introduced to CryptoFlow Bot. All right, this is Google. You definitely have some good projects here that you can come and look at their current performance and how long have they released the signals. So if you come down here and you are not seeing anyone that is recently released, like let me click on this Ethereum now. Let me click on this Ethereum. Because once you click on this, any of this list of signal, it will show you the details of that particular one, not only this one that you are seeing here. I want us to understand that. You can see all this one, the details already showing, right? You can get the details of all this one as well by clicking on each and every one of them. If you click on APT now, can you see the details? So if I click it again, it will take it back to among the list. So now I want to check ETH, Ethereum. Now Ethereum was released, this signal was dropped 4 hours, 57 minutes ago. It was dropped 4 hours, 57 minutes ago. It's right here. And it's already on plus 11.8%. Okay? Plus 11.8%. Currently, I'm currently on a signal, on a trade, not even this signal. I enter it with the second manual trading extra that I told you the other time earlier. Extra, manual extra, my own strategy. Even without this signal of this Ethereum here, I'm currently on the signal, which is completely different from the robot signal, which is that my own strategy I told you. Let me go back to my trade and show you. He's probably going to be in profit currently. Can you see? He's currently on profit. And I am not even using the signal. It's not the signal of the robot. I swear to God, it's completely not the signal of the bot I used. It is my own that extra manual strategy I told you about. But we'll get there. It's going to be the last class we'll take. So if you are here and you are not able to finish the class, you are going to be missing a lot, because the real D is what is bringing this current profit you are seeing on my screen, which I might decide to close this profit if I wish to. This is my own signal, extra signal, not the robot signal. I can say, you can see I use 20x. Before I went the other time, it was around minus negative 15% right here. Now it's coming to profit as well. My own signal extra, manual extra, all right, manual extra. This and even this one, I'll show you the other one too. These are the steady flow short. The robot entered. You know, they are doing their own thing on their own. Me, I'm less concerned. Let me scroll down and show you some other trick. I break my rules. But will I say I break my rules? On that my signal extra yesterday, I was observing, because weekend market normally come down, so I went to enter 1 or 2 shots. So I one caught me. Meanwhile, even as a matter of fact that I was caught in a shot, I'm still at peace of mind that the kind of coin I'm trading is not a pump and dump, which is this Solana you are seeing on the screen. I entered it yesterday, hoping that we are in the weekend, market will drop. Using my own manual, manual extra. I never panic for 1% about this. I'm less confident, because this is not a pump and dump. That is one of the rules of that particular one. But we are going to go to that part to end this section. All right. So let me go again. This auto and my own manual. Let me go. So I think let me take this profit. Let me take this little profit right here. Let me put this $7 in my pocket. So if you are here, you don't know how to close trade in profit. This is where you click. You want to close a particular trade in profit. That's okay, and the bot is not closing it yet. You want to take the profit instead of going down. You're okay with the profit you are seeing. You just click on this star I circled right there, and the trade will be closed for you. So we're going to do that now. I'll click on it. It says close ETH long position at market price. So I'll click OK. I'll click OK, and you can see it has closed it. It has closed it. Now come down to here. It's still synchronizing it. Where is it? And this is it. Network. Be good. Network. Okay. Okay. So this is, you can see the profit has been added up. This is one I just closed now. These are the one that has sold off this morning, today. This BTC is also today. Okay. Another profit today. You know, these are the auto, the one the robot closed. Okay. But these are my own manual extra trade I've closed today. Okay. All right. By the time we come down to the profit part here, you see the details. Awareness. Please, somebody is unmuted. Can you please help me unmute the person? Can you hear me mute the person, please? And so far with around $1,000. Network, what's this? This account has been able to generate $544 as I speak. You asked me in how many days? In how many days? Using my manual extra and little bit of auto. In how many days? Everything is transparent. This is the day. This is the day. 19 days. So the bot once I was able to close 15 trades, 15 days in profit, 4 days in loss. So we'll now dive in directly to go and check the 4 days that are in loss. That was when I was, and most of those 4 days, that was when I was test running the strategy, which is okay, which is very okay. 4 days out of 19 days closed in loss, right? 4 days out of 19 days. This is the number 1 day, second day, third day, fourth day out of 19 days. So, but after that last day, which is the August 1st this month. Now, if you now check from August 2nd, I've mastered this strategy. Can you see what is happening in my account? Can you see what is happening today? All right. Now, even without you can see here 10 trade, 10 win today. As I speak today now, 10 trade, 10 wins. Yesterday, 9 trade, 8 wins. On the 7th, 20 trade, 20 wins. That's the meaning of 20T means 20 trade. 20W means 20 wins. All right. So we can be assured that this strategy works. And some of us who understand the trading must have been observing some things from this particular performance pair you are seeing here. These are the coins that produce most of these profits. Do you see any shit coin among them? Do you see any even unnecessary altcoins among them, those pairs? So that some of us will now be getting the belief that it's possible. This strategy is possible to be good, to be sustainable for a long period of time. Because the first thing is the kind of peers, the kind of top performing peers you are seeing. on that particular my manual extra strategy you're seeing. Should tells you some strong signals about the capacity of this strategy. Okay. So, let me go back to the regular signal we are talking about. So if you want to pick any signal right here, on the normal signal the robot provide for us, please look for some good coins. Look for some good coins if you want to enter any signals. And make sure, like we have been told and shown before in several sections, don't let it more than 15, 20 minutes. 15, 20 minutes, even 10 minutes is okay. If the trade is still under 10 minutes, they release the signal. You'll see it here. You see it here. You can see this one is 1 hour 26 minutes. Don't near it. Don't near it. Ignore it. The robot keeps sending signal over and over. Ignore it. You can see it's already on 32%. Ignore such signal. I'm looking for, if I can be able to enter one here to show us as a sample. There's no recent signal right here. There's no recent signal right here. 22 hours. There's no recent signal right here. But assuming, let me refresh. Let me refresh. Let me refresh. Let me refresh. Network. Network. Okay. So assuming you now find a good signal at the right timing. At the right timing, all you need to do is click on execute trade. I'll use it as an example. Click on execute trade right here. Select precision trade. Precision trade. The third one. Select precision trade. Then you come down here. It will be showing you your balance at the top here. You are going to be seeing your balance here. And if it is a spot signal, you'll see it under spot here. But this particular signal is a future signal. That's why it's already on future. Okay. So we do turn spot signal to future signal because you can always trade long using spot signal on future. All right. So all you need to do is come down here and select the kind of level you want to use. All these pump and dump coin, all these seed coin, don't use more than 5x. Don't use more than 5x at the maximum. Anything that is not, any coin that is not Ethereum, BNB, Solana, BTC, SRP, at Cardano, don't go beyond 5x. My warm advice is that I can give some with my experience, because those other coins can do and undo. Okay, so but when you use 5x, you are still on a very safe mode. You are still on a very safe mode, even if the market go against you, knowing fully well that the robot has already done his own analysis before you enter trade. But if you go and enter trade at the wrong timing, when the trade is already hold or it has been released for a long time, it is not the robot fault, because the signal has been released and might have delivered for people who join in immediately the signal was released. So if you now got the signal after the signal has delivered, then if you start coming to the other direction, then you will now enter at that time. Then you'll be at receiving end and to be put at blame. It is not the bot. That's why you have to be very cautious of the timing of the signal, right? So when everything is okay with the signal, pick 5x and it's already on cross, input the amount you want the robot to use totally on that particular trade. If you type in $100 here, $100 will be allocated out of your $700 you are seeing at the top here. For this particular trade, out of this $700 here, $100 will be what? Allocated for this particular trade. Now, the take profit has already been set by the robot, automatic take profit 2, automatic. You understand? The robot sets those trade profit automatic for you. So the next thing you need to do here is, do you want the $100 you type in there to go in at once? Do you want it to go in at once, or you want to use smart DCA? You want the robot to use smart DCA for you. If you want the robot to use smart DCA for you, then this red pointer is pointing. You have to on the DCA, on the smart DCA. So by the time you on this smart DCA, you can see I've on it. It's already hot before. Now I've on it. And what is the robot saying here? What is he saying? What is he saying? The robot says entry 15%, DCA 15%, DCA 2 30%, DCA 3 40%. That's how it's going to split that $100. If you first enter with 15%, which is $15, market comes down against you after you enter. It will buy limit order 15%, which is $15 as well. DCA 1, DCA 2, another market drop again. The robot buy 30%, which is $30. And market comes down again to DCA 3, it will buy 40%, which is $40. And that's why it's going to allocate your $100 into that trade. On the other hand, in another way around, somebody might decide not to use smart DCA. If I say you don't want to use smart DCA and you off it, that simply means all this $100 will be what? All this $100 will be allocated to the market at once. It will allocate the $100 at once if you did not own this smart DCA. So, but the good and the best strategy is for you to own the DCA. It's for you to own it. Own it. All right. So once you own it, then you click on place order. Click on place order. You click on place order, it will show you this page. Then you click on confirm long pump USDT. Then it will enter the trade for you. As simple as that in how you enter the signal provided by the robot. It's because I'm explaining some things out of it. That's why it looks like it is really complicated or takes time. No, it doesn't take any time. I will even go back and try like I want to enter one myself right now. So you see how fast it is, okay? So I click on signal. I click on signal. Let the network load the page for me. Let the network load the page for me. Okay. So I see a signal. I check around, and I decided to enter any one of my choice. Okay. I decided to enter just USDT, GST USDT. I'll click on execute trade. After or I've checked the time, you check the quality of the coin. Can you help me mute the person, please? So you come down to this side. This particular signal is what? Is on spot. Is on spot. I will click on future now if it is allowed. Some coins are not allowed to trade on future in Binance. So I'll click on future and see if it is allowed below. Okay, I think it's allowed. If it is not allowed, you see the information below here. The coin is not allowed to trade on future. So once you do, I now click on 5x. All right. How much do I want the robot to use? I can say $50. You put your cursor at the back of this dot, then type your $50 like this, and then just scroll down on your DCA. Don't forget on your DCA. Okay. Place order. I will use it as an example and place it. I'll cancel it. I'll cancel the trade, but let me just continue placing the order and see. I've confirmed it. I've confirmed it. So it's still loading. It's still loading. Still loading, and that's what you're seeing here. It's placing the order. It has completed completely placed the order now. All right. So you can see this is the order showing on my watch, on my open trade. Is it? It's still loading. Information will soon come out. And don't forget, it will always tag it as manual. Manual. And what is manual there? Because I went to select it on Signal myself. What is what is special in what I did now? Is there any too much thing I did? I didn't do much. And select the coin and the amount I want the robot to work on the coin. Hey, good. You see, I type $50 and I use DCA. I found DCA button. So it used 15% of $50 for me to enter the trade as first buy amount. That's why you are seeing $7.5 here. Are you getting my banner? On what? On the 5x leverage. So 7.5 multiplied by 5. It will give us 37.5 of the size of the trade based on leverage. You know, we're trading on future based on the leverage. So, but my actual capital on this trade out of my $50 is what? Is 7.5. All right, it's 7.5. So you can see that's the trade. What is hard in this I did now? What I just did is there's nothing special or hard here. Very simple. Very simple. Once you understand the concept and the rules on how to go about picking signals here. Okay. Now, I hope I'm communicating. Am I communicating? Hello.
Hello, KK
Hello, my
Success. We are with
host.
you. We are with you, KK Success.
Oh, good.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. So yeah, I hope I'm communicating and we are all following with that
Yes, sir.
explanation. If
Yeah.
you understand what I explained, please type 1 for me. Let me know. Type 1, please. Type 1. If you understand what I just explained now, help me to type 1. Yeah, we are 18 leaders on call right now. We are 18, and I want every one of us to respond to that. Is that well explained? Is that simple? I hope I've been able to simplify it very much for every one of us. I hope I did the explanation very well. Okay, good. All right, good. Now let me go and round it up with the second part. That one is also simple. I've already given us some clue on the rules to use in that part as well. All right. So let me see how I can close this GST. Dr. Money, I'm coming. Sanfik, don't look at Dr. Money.
KK
Dr.
Success.
Money is in the
Don't
house.
register Dr. Money. Hey, you go.
Oh my word. There's some fire that is coming into the system.
KK Success. We can't hear your voice. Oh.
Can you hear me now, please? Sorry, Dad.
Yes, loud and clear.
Okay. You heard what I said the other time. Don't look
KK
at me so much.
Success. No go register James.
Some
So no
fire.
go register.
Go ahead, no problem. So people are beginning to see the capacity of what is possible in this business, and when something is real, it's real. There's nothing you can do about it. You can't fade away from it. It's either you join them or you miss out. That's just it. So the robot has proven beyond doubt over the couple of months now. All right. Please let me close this GST. I'm not interested. It's just for an example. Okay, it has been closed. Now, let's go to the my strategy, my manual extra strategy. Manual extra strategy is completely out of CryptoFlow Bot strategy. Hello, is completely out of any system of trading the CryptoFlow Bot is using. But we are going to be doing it using the robots. Are we ready to go?
Yes, sir.
We are
We're
going to be
good to
doing
go.
it using the robots. But it's one of the most profitable, peaceful strategy. I must say. And number one rules is part of what I said the other time. In this part of strategy here, this particular strategy is you are going to be picking your signal right here, the coin you want to trade. You are going to be picking your coin by yourself from your home page. You first select. This is we have spot, we have market mover. These are the available markets under spot. If you click on future, it will show you the available market on future. Meanwhile, we are trading on future, so we always come to future. Don't forget, you always come and click on what? You always come and click on future parts page option here. Click on the future page, and it will show you the available coins on future. You can see it said the robot can trade maximum of 41 top coins on future on auto. 41 top coins on coin market cap. The top 41 coins in the world is what the robot can trade on auto for you and I. I'm just explaining this so I would know the capacity of the automatic trading the robot does as well. Selective coin. These are new upgrade that the robot did. The management did of this. So, but that's not where we're going. Now, where we're going is this. We are coming here to come and select the first 6 coins in the crypto market. The first 6 coins in the world. We are coming here to come and only strictly be working with those ones. Strictly with those ones. Sanfik, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear. KK success. I've muted
I
the
want to be
person.
sure this part is
I've muted the person.
is
Yeah, we are with
recorded.
you.
I want to be sure if this part is recorded. I was trying to stream it live on my channel. I don't think it is. My word. And it's a big issue for us getting the recording. Okay, I think it's doing okay. Good. Oh, good. Oh, great. All right, good. It's working. I don't even know. The live stream is on.
Yeah,
Fantastic.
okay.
Yes, I have checked it on my other phone now. I'm live on YouTube, so automatically it's recording there. We just get the link from the live page. Now, like I was saying, 5 to 6 strictly top coins in the crypto market. What are those coins? Number 1 is the king, BTC, Ethereum, Solana, BNB number 4, SRP number 5, Cardano number 6. Are we together?
Yes, we are together. We can hear you.
Great. I said the first coin is BTC. Second coin, Ethereum. Third coin, Solana. Fourth coin, BNB. Fifth coin, SRP. Then sixth coin, Cardano. Don't exceed trading any other coin except this 6 coin using this strategy. My street warning. My street warning using this strategy. Don't exceed trading these 6 quality coins, top coins. And the reason is very simple. The reason is that these coins can never misbehave and has never misbehaved in the crypto market space. How many people agree with me on that? How many people agree with me? Before Bitcoin can come down, assuming you use 10x leverage, you use 10x leverage on BTC, before you can be liquidated on 10x leverage you use for BTC, the market BTC must come down by 10%. How many understand that? Even without buying DCA, do you get that? That BTC must come down against you by 10% before you can be liquidated if you are using 10x. Any coin you use 10x, they will go against you. That's one of the knowledge of futures that many of us are not aware of, or we have not gotten into that class in future trading. If you are using 10x, on any coin you are trading, 10x, you can be liquidated if that coin goes against you by what? By 10%. And that's why you see many of those coins the robot picks for us on auto, they will use 3x leverage. 3x leverage is around 35% before the coin can go. The coin must go against you by 35%. If you see the bot using 3x, it's for our own protection against those coins that are very volatile. If you use the robot using 5x, it's for our own protection. All right. I don't think I've really seen him trading more than, I'm using 5x more than 6x leverage for altcoins. Only BTC normally use 8x leverage, 10x leverage for BTC and some maybe Ethereum and all that. But the robot will not come close and use 10x for Dogecoin or Tau or SEU. The robot will not come and use 10x for you on this coin. No. Because of the what? They designed the robot to maximally protect our capital. Maximally protect our capital. I mean, maximally protect our capital. That's why it's very difficult for any account to be liquidated using CryptoFlow Bot. Now, don't forget to, for the matter of fact that I said 10x, you will be liquidated until the coin comes down to what? It comes down by 10%. The coin must come down by 10%. Don't forget, apart from that, it is really difficult for BTC to come down by 10% in the first place. Coupled with the robot will use stop loss not to make that even happen. Stop loss. How do you use stop loss? The robot will use stop loss on every single trade, every single time, even the one I'm about to show you with this my strategy. The robot is still the one to put stop loss for you and I. Our own is just that we come and use this extra strategy based on the knowledge and experience of the market to come and select some quality coins that will give us peace of mind to a reasonable level of doubt, to a reasonable point that at least if I'm strictly trading with these 6 coins, selected coins, and I'm very strict with my leverage of 5x, 10x, you can never fall into victim. That's number one. Number two, rules of this strategy. The second rules of this strategy is that even when coming here to pick this strategy, you must understand the trend the robot is trading with now. That's the second rule. I can be writing something here. The first rule is what? First rule, top 6 coin. Top 6 coin in the market. Two, market trend. Market trend. You must trade in line with the market trends. That's the second rules. What is the current market trends right now that the signal the robot is giving to every one of us? The robot is currently giving signal on uptrend. That simply means you have to trade alongside with the trend of the signal the robot is giving while using this strategy for yourself. I can't go and be entering short market now when the robot continually giving us long market. Let me click on signal again and go to long. Let me go to short. If we are going to find any coin under short, there is no single coin under short as we speak. So common sense to you and I. Why will I go and enter shorts to trade against the trend? Am I intelligent than the robot? No. I'm not intelligent than the robot. I have to trade according to some style and the rules the robot is working on currently, which is the uptrend. So every trade I will be trading, I'll be clicking. As a matter of fact, that it is even BTC, Ethereum, Solana, those 6 coins, I must still trade in line with the market trends of the kind of signal the robot is giving. Either you come here to check on the signal, you can see all the coins that is here is what are long. All the signal here, rather, all the signal here are long. No single, let me click on shorts. No single signal is available on shorts. So how on earth will I go and trade against the market trend, against the signal the robot is giving every now and then? So it simply means you must trade in line with the trend of the market. And how do you do that? Very simple. What is the robot trading with? What type of signal the robot is giving to us on the normal signal, either on the auto or you come to this page. The robot is giving more of what? Long signal. Long signal. So that is the second rule. So any trade I want to enter here now, I will enter the trade as long market, not short. Not sure any of the 6 coins I want to trade here. I will make sure I trade it on what? Long. Because the robot itself is giving long signal, which means the market is on the uptrend. All right. Don't go and trade against the trend of the market of the signal the robot is giving. No, don't do that. So now I have ADA running. My ADA should be in profit by now, if I'm not mistaken. I have ADA running. So I would like to enter a signal to make like 1 or 2 signal as an example. All right. Let me click on BTC. You now click on the coin. Don't forget how I got started. Once you get to home page, click on future. This one is moving. I'll use it for an example. Once you go to your home page here, all right, you can see it's on spot. It's on spot. Make sure you click on future. You click on future, and it will display the perpetual trade on futures for you. All right. Then the next thing is to select the coin you want to pick. I want to use BTC now. You click on BTC and it will take you to this trading view charts. All right. Can you see? Now there's work here too. Hello, because you want to Yoruba will say the job we are doing here, we are doing professional work, smart work. All right. All right. The way I don't want to explain it like I understand everything. You understand? Which means I know what whenever I come here, I know what to do. But I don't want to rush this thing. That's why I'm taking it step after the other. Even though you don't understand trading at all, and you came and you come to this page now, and you are seeing the charts, the current chart, which is telling you that there's uptrend in the last 5 or 7 candles, 15-minute candles. The market is going uptrend. I know some people will have understand what I'm about to say on that. the market is currently on uptrend on previous 15 minutes candle, like 5. There's high chance that the market comes down. There's high chance that the market reverse a bit than it going up as it speak. Should you trade at this point or not? Sanvik, can you unmute yourself, please?
KK Success, I'm with you.
Oh,
The
yeah.
price is currently at premium level. So we have what we call premium, equilibrium, and discount. So you have to wait for the price to come to discount level. So like this around 64,840, 64,760. That's a discount area. So if you wait for the price to retrace to that area, okay, and you enter, at least you have high probability, like like there is probability that the market will go your direction and you win the trade. So, but currently now it's at
I was supposed to
premium.
enter this signal before we started, but I don't want to enter so I can use it for example. That's why I missed out. I saw
Okay.
it here at this point. Continue.
Yeah. So whenever you see that the market is bullish or it's actually in an uptrend, so you have to wait for the price to pull back. So
Can you
that's
see
what we
it's pulling
call.
back gradually?
So wait for it to pull back because there will always be a pullback. So then you enter at a what's it called, a discount area. Are you getting it? So once you get in at a discount area, you have a very nice trade.
And you make more profit.
Of course,
Meanwhile,
of course.
meanwhile, even if someone enter here, Sanvik, there is still high chance that we make some profit. But it's not advisable. I'm just saying, why? And there's limit to the can be fear of maybe there's high risk or high that. No. Even if you enter here, what do I mean by that? What gave us that the first security and rest of mind is because it is BTC. Do you get that, Sanvik? Am I communicating, Sanvik? It's because it is BTC. That
Yeah, I'm
even if you
with
enter
you.
here,
Yes,
it can't still
you can
you
ride
can't still
along
go
with the
gaga.
momentum. Yeah, you can ride
You
along
can't
with the
still go
momentum.
gaga. The worst is for you to make little profit and get out of the market. That you now
Yeah.
enter at this point. That is what I'm saying. I'm saying it for the essence of novice. We are still safe. Even if you mistakenly enter here at this point, you can still be liquidated. Though you might be close to your bot hitting stop loss. Yes, when the pullback happens, but you can't be liquidated. But so the best, because the reason why it can't be liquidated or the coin cannot come down anyhow is because it is BTC. It is BTC, not pump and dump coin. You get the point now. That is the first security confidence we have. So, but the best thing is to wait for the market to come down to around this area. When you see some green candle forming up, not like this 3, 4 green candle that has really pulled up. As you are seeing, let me change this color. Not all this candle. The candle are really formed high and uptrends. It's always good to look at, which simply means you cannot enter this trade at this moment. Even though the market is on uptrend, you can't enter. It's not advisable. You can look at another coin or look for another opportunity. Okay. If you're someone like me, I can enter and I'll manage it with my extraordinary experience and understanding. But for the sake of this class, don't enter. Don't enter. Now, I'll now go back to home page. Let's see. I'll definitely see a coin I can enter. I'll definitely see a coin I can enter. Where's my other? This one, auto. Some of my signal. Now, let me see. SRP. SRP. It's possible it's on uptrend a little, but let's see. Let's see. Though I don't really like SRP as a person as well. I don't really like SRP. 1 hour. Okay. I'll use this as an example. It's still building up gradually. Not really. Now let me enter SRP. Do you see what I did here now? This SRP is just coming up. It's just coming up. It has came down from this part to what? To this region. Then it's now coming up. It is just coming up. It is just coming up. One can still treat this particular at this particular point in time. So now, what do you do once you decided that okay, it's good to trade this coin? Click on new trade. I need red button now. Click on the new trade at the top here. And you click on new trade. It will take you down to this part. Then what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? The next thing you do here is to click on swing. I don't know if I will have the time to explain each of these strategy. Each of these strategy. Okay. This is the safest. This is more safer. No, this is not safer. This is the worst. Don't near it though. 50x, 5%. Stop. Don't near it. 50x. If I keep on it now, it will draw this yellow line. It will draw it to 50%. Let me try and click on it and you see. Do you see that? Do you see that? It's now on what? 50x. Don't click on this DG, no. What I normally use is what? Swing. I use swing. Am I communicating? Sanviki?
Yes, I'm with you. Get sources.
Am I making sense?
Yes, you are making sense.
Let's go. Swing. I normally use swing. Before, when I was testing the strategy, I was galloping. I went to be using scalping. 20x. But now swing is still the safest. 5x, 3% stop loss. 5x, 3% stop. So when you click on swing, it will drag this line back to 5% here. So I click on swing. Let me click on it. Can you see now? I draw it back to 5%. At the same time, I was the one that click on it. At the same time, you definitely going to be see your percentage at the top here as well. I mean your available capital. So make sure. At times you can make mistake not to click on future in the home page before you get to this part. Because if you click on spot, it will take you to this part too. But this way, you know whether you're on future or on spot. On future, you'll be seeing mark, funding. You will see these 3 options here. Please. On future, you'll see, if it is spot, I'll click on spot now. This is spot. I'll click on it. If it is spot, you won't see it. It will disappear now. Can you see that? That disappear. Take note. So that you're not going to trade on spot while thinking you are trading on future. All right. So let me click on future again. Then, can you hear me read the person? Be sure you are on long if you are trading long. If it is time for a downtrend market, be sure you are what you click on short. If it is short, you want to trade. All right, they are beside each other. But currently future. So now I will now come down here. What next do I need to do? Type in your capital. Depends on your appetite. And this particular part, there is no what? There is no DCA. Somebody shout power. There is no DCA. So you better take you can see DCA button has been off by default. Probably simply because it is swing and scalping. You don't stay long in the market using this strategy. Sanvik, am I making sense? You don't stay long in the market. So that's why they have the DCA by default. You are not expected to stay long in the market using this strategy. Make money, scalp the market, swing. sharp money, 2 hours, 3 hours, you are out. Like the Ethereum I closed, it's not up to 2 hours before we started the session. And we saw it in profit when I closed it there. So it doesn't take longer time. I think that's why the smart DCA is turned on automatically. So, but this is where you take your caution on the amount of capital you want to type in here, on your margin capital amount. Depends on your capital. Me, I normally use $50. I can use $100. Don't. I would advise you not to use more than $20 for you start. Depending on your capital, you can even use $10. It's okay. Test run it yourself with small capital. I didn't start using a big capital here when I got started too. I was growing my knowledge, my confidence, and all. Now I can use 150x. I can use $150 and 20x on BTC. I can use $200 on 30x on BTC. I grew up to that level. But you start with this explanation I'm giving now: 5x, $10 margin capital. You type $10 here or you type $20 here. There's no DCA. Don't forget, there's no DCA. So me, I will type 50 now, for example. And what do I do next? You type, instead of this take profit 3, it is swing that used to bring automatically take profit 3%. Edit it to 1. Even though the robot will apply a smart exit at some point in time automatically for you. There is smart exit button available. When the robot notices the coin, the trade is on profit, and it start observing drawdown, the robot will apply smart exit and close the trade even before hitting this 1% you are seeing here. It will apply smart. It has done that for me several times. It will close the trade and lock in like 0.3%, 0.2%. Because of my capital, I can be seeing $7, $12 at times. With that 0.3%, 0.4%. Yes. And the robot closes it on smart exit. So please take note of that. So once you edit those take profit to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you can see 1, 2, 3. That's what you put there. The next thing is to what? Is to come and start the trade. Place long. It will be huffing that button once in a while. Wait for it. You can see it has huff it now. It will on it again. Can you see? So once you on it, click on it, then confirm long SRP. Let's see how it goes. I've confirmed it now. It's loading. It's loading. And boom. Boom. We are here. We are here. Why it's loading? I can quickly explain this part. This is the $50 capital I imputed, and on 5x leverage, 50 times 5. 50 times 5 will give us what? 250 margin leverage trade size. So 250, because I use 5x leverage, so 50 times 5 give us 250. So because you calculate my percentage based on the 250. And let me refresh and see. Let me refresh and see. It's still loading. It's still loading. Is that clear? Can you see it has pumped up fully as what? As a manual entry trade. Just like this one. That is a manual as well. So
So,
these are
KK
my two
success.
trades.
What will be your profit if the trade hits take profit?
And I put in 1% TP1, 2% TP2, 3% TP3, you know. So, but most of the cases, the robot close it without even getting to 3% by using
By
smart
itself,
exit.
even
Yes, yes.
though it's manual.
Mm-hmm. It closes by itself now.
Okay.
So
Then also
basically, you can put in 0.5 instead of 1%. You can put in 0.5, 1, and 1.5 instead of 1, 2, 3. You get that? Let me look for another one. Okay, continue. You have a question. You're asking something.
Yeah, because there is something I'm looking at because Now on this trade now, I think what you are risking is $50, right?
Yes.
You are risking $50. Okay. And I don't think even if the trade it take profit, you are going to make $20 on it. So, and normally when you are risking like proper trading, when you are risking $50 at least minimum, you should be making $50 or $100 profit. 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. 1 to 2 really makes sense.
How many leverage? Do you remember how much leverage I used? 5x.
5x
Yes.
leverage.
To be on a safer and secure, to have a very healthy trade now, I have to use lesser leverage.
Well, that's good
Do
because it will be difficult
you get?
to get liquidated.
Mm-hmm. Do you get? So I was I make sure uh, um, I was the strategy. I made sure I was protected both front and back, away from every angle of risk that might comes up. You understand? The level of risk, I made sure I was protected by picking the right coins, first 6 coins in the whole crypto market, following by using lesser leverage, 5x or 10x. Do you get the point? Number 3, following by taking little profit out of the market. By the robot close the smart trade. Most of the time I put in 0.5. You can see BNB is coming down. I put in 0.5. I will use this as an example now. This BNB. Let me use as a second example of this. Now, this BNB, you can see now I forgot to click on future from the home page. Meanwhile, this is what what is showing me here is spot. It can happen to anybody. You can see it happens to me too now. I couldn't see funding fee the other time, the 24-hour this thing, and it's not here simply because I come to this page through spot coins, through spots. And that's why you're seeing my balance is not here. I don't have any balance on spot. So once I click on futures now, it will change it to future balance. Can you see? Can you see now? Because I have clicked on future here. And this market price funding 24 hours is not showing. Always take note, please. So now I'll click on swing like the other time. I'll be fast a bit with this one. I'll click on swing. It's already on 5%. Swing is already picking. Defaulted to be 5x leverage on swing. Then $50 entry price, or let me use $20 here for a starter, or $10. Now take profits that we're talking about. I can decide to use 0.3. Well, let me use 0.5, 0.1. Make sure, but you can't use the same thing all along. You must, if you use 0.5 here on take profit 1, make sure you use 1% here. Then the take profit 3, just type in 1.5. Sequential like that. There's nothing more, nothing more. Click on place long. Nothing more. I don't place this trade now. For example, I use this for an example, even though it's not time right position for me to enter the trade, but it's not. There's no bad deal trading these pairs of coins, trading these pairs. You see, the SRP is getting up gradually to profit as well. So any question? I think any question. Any question? Is that clear? Please ask question. Ask your question.
Yes, very clear. Thank you so much for the enlightenment.
Okay. Turn this camera now. Is that clear? Leaders in the house, please, let's be aware we are all leaders. You need to ask questions right here, please. We're
Yes,
not
I
clear.
have a question.
All right, good. Go ahead.
Yes, you mentioned the 6 best coins. I don't know. Can you give us the list of those coins so that we'll be guided?
Okay, I've mentioned them. Maybe you join late a bit. Let me go back to the home. Click on future. Then the list of those top 6 coins. Once you click on the future here, once you click on that future, you will see them. They are the first, they are even at the first 10. Those coins are the first 10 on the list. You
Okay.
can see BTC, Ethereum, Solana. No, look for them. Some of the coins are within them. But let me name it out again. BTC, Ethereum ETH, BTC ETH, SOL, XRP, BNB, and ADA. ADA. Do you get that?
Yes, sir.
You write it down as well. BTC, ETH, SOL, XRP, BNB, ADA. ADA. Those are the 6 coins.
Thank you, sir.
Those are the 6 coins.
Yeah, good
You're
afternoon.
welcome.
Yeah, good
Yes, good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Okay. Please, I just want to ask one question. When trading on
Mr.
auto,
Baba, Big Baba, please mute yourself, please. Okay, let me help you. So, all right, go ahead. Sorry.
okay. When trading on auto,
Okay. You've mute yourself. Let me unmute you. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. All right, go ahead.
yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, please. I want to
Go.
find out when trading on auto with the bot, can you set your take
Okay.
profit as 0.5 and 1 and then 1.5? Or the robot
When
decides
trading
that?
on auto, you mean
Yes.
auto away from what we are I'm explaining here, right?
Yes, yes. I know it's a way.
Full auto. Most of the if it is full auto, as you ask, most of the time the robot don't even wait for 1% taking profit on full auto. Go and check most of them. Go and check most.
I can't hear you again now.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, I can hear you now. Yes, you said when dealing with full auto, what happens?
Yes, the bot normally take profit less than 1% most time. 1%, 1.5. I think take profit 3 is around, I think 1.5 or 2. So the robot don't stay long in taking profit. Even most of the time, it will not wait for his take profit. It will not eat take profit 1. Most of the time, the robot would leave the market, take profit without eating take profit 1 by using smart exit. Smart exit. It will move stop loss closer to the DCA. So when market is showing sign of retracing or drawdown, it will eat stop loss. So by the time it eats that stop loss, it doesn't mean it is loss. The market, the trade is already in profit that point. So it will not wait to go and take profit any longer. It will apply stop loss because the stop loss has been shifted forward above profit.
Okay.
To safeguard that profit, not to come back to loss again. Meanwhile, the trade is difficult for the trade to go and take profit 1. So the bot will now eat stop loss because the stop loss has been shifted how the robot is configured. Is that clear now?
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. I understand that now. Then one last question, please. When trading auto, are you the one to select the coin, or the robot will just select the coin by yourself, or you can select the coin?
Now the bot select everything. All the 41 coins you see there, you select any of them. Let me share it again. These are the available coins for the bots on futures. If you click on futures here, these are the available coins for the bots on futures. Do you see that? 41
Yes, sir.
auto. It simply means 41 coins available for auto trading only. Right, for the robot.
Okay.
Eligible. This is eligible for what? For fully auto and custom auto.
Okay.
The bot can only select within these 41 coins, list of coin.
Okay.
Do you get that? So you are not the
Yes.
one to select for the robot. It look for available opportunity in any of these 41 top coins in the crypto market world and enter the
Okay.
trade for you.
All right. Yeah. Thank you very much. Clearly understood. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any other question? You can see the trade as what they are doing slow. No problem. So there's nothing to even if the auto, you can see this auto is on a negative, and it's because of the drawdown that short this thing I was trying it out. For me, I don't think I will use that strategy. It's giving me some profit, but you can see it is auto, but short. This is a strategy, a different strategy on its own. I think this already explained this yesterday. I don't have to go on this and explain again. When the robots go and look for coins that are top gainer, and look for how when they are beginning to come down and try to pick some short signal there, any coin, and that's why you are seeing this kind of huge percentage. Auto is not my own. Can you see? It is auto. So it is that auto short strategy. But no qualm, no worry, no panic. I didn't panic. I'm not panicking. Why? Because it's used limited little out of the capital and very minimal leverage. It cannot put any of this trade in any unnecessary risk. And this is what is giving me personally confidence and peace of mind against this trade. You know, on a normal day, you'll be panicking that minus 321, what's going on here? That coin has pumped. And by the time it come down, it can come down within 10 minutes. It can come down by 70%. And all these floating 300 you are saying will come down as well. So me, I understand the market. That's why I can never panic. So meanwhile, it manages the trade, even showing this huge percentage. Auto, not my own, no. Auto, because the leverage you use is very small, 3x. Who is making noise? See, Sam Vicky, what's going on?
I
Let
will
me
meet
mute the
the
person
person.
now.
I will meet the person now.
Please let me mute the person. The thing is affecting my brain. All right. I hope that is clear. Any other question?
Yeah. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead, please. Go ahead.
Yeah. Thank you very much for the presentation. Like, my own question is on the manual trade. Yeah. Like
Come again. I lost my network now. Come again.
Okay, I said my question is on the manual trade you just explained.
Okay, good.
So you
Let's
said we
be
can put
fast so
the
we can
stop
handle
loss.
almost 2 hours here.
So you said we can put the stop loss at like 0.5, 1, and 1.5. But you don't really talk about the stop loss. Or is this stop loss going to be set automatically? So that's what I want to ask.
It's automatic as well. Let me show us the two trade I entered now. It's automatic. Thank God you were there. I did these two particular trade. I entered them in our present. So it is automatic as well. The stop loss, the TP is automatic. Where is it? See the stop loss here for this SRP, and see the stop loss for EMB. If you remember, did I enter any stop loss? Did I
No,
enter
no,
any
no.
stop loss? So that's to tell you that it is still semi-auto. This manual is still semi-auto. So the robot sets the stop loss automatically for me to still protect me while using the robot for manual entry. Can you imagine that? That in case that support was there in case it is novice that would just went to try out any coins like shit coins using this strategy to enter manual. You understand? So the person will still be protected to some extent. Why? Because the robot will forcefully, it is inbuilt on the robot, forcefully set stop loss to minimize that person's ignorance about the market. Do you get the point? That's the meaning of that. That even if you are a novice and you go and do the wrong thing with this strategy, taking the wrong coin at the wrong time, you will still be protected. You are only going to be hit by stop loss. Your capital will not be liquidated. I don't know if you get that.
KK, go and
Yes, I
check
get
that
it.
TUT chat. Check that TUT chat. I just want us to see something like that. That coin is crazy. Who is pumping that coin? Check the chat. Go to market. Click on market below. Click on market.
Let me go to market here. Gainer.
Yeah, gainers. Then
that's it now.
Click on the TU. So put it on what's it called? Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame.
Weekly, I mean.
Or daily time frame.
Hey, wait. What's this?
Now,
what's this?
I just did this thing. Let's see. Now look at this candle. Like, I'm surprised. Why is your account not liquidated with
with that crazy pump, Abby? Good.
with the
Very good
crazy
question.
pump?
Very
Look
good
at this.
question. Very good this thing.
Look at this. Look at this. What's going on here? Like, who is pumping this coin?
Do you see what we are saying now? With the capacity of the robots and the level of protection it's giving our trades. This is crazy. I want you to understand that. Let me put it on one day.
We'll put it on one day. Look at yesterday candle. Look at today's candle.
So even upon you can't experience the worst pump in the market than this. At the same time, the market, the trade is still not liquidated. The bot still manages it. Why? You ask me why. The reason is simple now.
Like, when did you enter the trade?
Minimal leverage.
KK, when did
you use minimal leverage? I don't know. Let me check the boss use minimal leverage and where is it? Let me click on the time. Like 20 hours, 36 minutes ago.
That's yesterday now, Abby.
This is it now. Yesterday now. This is it now.
Yesterday.
20
so let's
hours.
Look at the entry price. Oh, where's the entry price?
36 minutes ago. And this is it.
And
this is the current market price now. Entry price is 0.0758.
You see the bot. Okay, it has done over 100% since the bot entered the trade for you.
Of course. Can't you see 300
and it actually got to 300. It actually got to 0.3. What's it called? Yeah, 0.3. So like over.
You know why? The bots apply proper DCA at the proper time, and the minimal leverage is used 3x. So if I go to my Binance now and show you, you'll be seeing just 2% margin ratio. Just 2% margin ratio. Let me go to my Binance. I think this will boost a lot of leaders' confidence. Now it's in 4.5 because I entered two new trades. Ethereum $7. See money, oh, see money. It has closed it. Do you see what I say now? Do you see what I told you? It is the board that closed this trade. I have not yet confirmed the sale. The board closes it on Smart Exist. Where is it? I mean, you see the other one I closed before. Where is the Ethereum now? Wait, oh. I think it was the other one I closed when we started the meeting. So
Yeah,
it
yeah,
has
yeah.
it is yet to
It's a
refresh because I just entered Binance. You understand? It is yet to refresh on Binance. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This is it. It's the previous one. Can you see? So it's the one I closed the other time, not the fresh one. These are the two. I was like, I don't have Ethereum in the first place now. We only entered. If you remember, I closed the Ethereum in our present. Do you remember on the robot? Before I entered these two particular SRP and BNB. Where is BNB? It's BNB. So what I want to show us is like I was saying, 2% margin ratio. This is how you know how healthy your account is using this robot. How healthy, can you see? Even with this margin, I mean that particular TUT coin, I was never panicked whatsoever. Where is that TUT? With this TUT, you see how many percentage that is on TUT? So have you forgotten something here? I know you must have forgotten why it is still like this as well. You ask me why. You ask me why.
yes, yes, yes.
Ask me why. Do you care to
Why?
know?
Why? KKSS? Why?
We are on cross margin. If it is isolated, it will have been
Okay.
liquidated the account. I don't know if
Okay.
you get that logic. It is
Yeah, yeah,
cross
I understand.
margin. The other trade are saving this trade conveniently without stress, without wala. The margin ratio is still very, 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 very healthy. And before it can liquidate me, see something now. That coin must come to $5.4.
Hmm.
You don't know the power of what we have right here, man. We need to
Uh,
know the capacity of what we have here. Don't play.
I noticed the short trades that it doesn't put stop loss. So okay, okay. What's it called? This guy
That's
actually
so.
explained
I've not
yesterday.
noticed that. I've not noticed that. I'm just saying that maybe because it will be safe based on the cross margin they're using. But we have to comment it. Thank you for reminding me. We tell the management they should give
No, 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 no. It's not
although
Hello,
advisable
sir.
to put stop loss.
it
So
will be eating stop loss anyhow. It's not
Hello, sir.
no,
advisable.
yeah, I
Anything
know.
that goes up, it surely comes down.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you. Hello, can you hear me? And
I
some of us
want.
that
I
used to
want.
ask questions. Let me show you before you ask your question, please. Let me do this. Some of us that used to ask questions. What is wrong with this, my? Some of us that used to ask questions. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear. Get your sources.
Who is? Yes, go ahead. What's your question?
Okay. I wanted to know. Can you explain what is cross and isolated? I don't know the difference between the two. Which one is cross? Which one is isolated? And what are the benefits?
Cross and isolated.
Yes, sir.
Cross. Um, I'm coming. 330. No. Okay. Cross margin. I've mistakenly done wrong thing here now. Mistakenly.
What's that?
Okay.
What happened?
I went to mistakenly close wrong trade now myself.
Wow.
This is the second time I've experienced that. I want to click something else. I'll go and click on another trade. Maybe because the robot data doesn't used to load on time. You get what I'm
Okay.
saying? Yeah. You will thinking you are clicking the right one. Meanwhile, another one has pop up. Okay. All right. What's the question? Okay. The question is, what's the difference between short and long? I mean, cross and isolated, right?
Yes, yes.
Sanfi, can you answer that? I'm kind of tired. Let me answer him.
All right. With isolated margin, so you are actually risking a specific amount out of your trading capital. So let's say you have $1,000 in your Binance Futures wallet now. So you can decide to, risk $100 on a trade. So even if the trade goes against you, you are only going to lose $100. So the rest of your $900 balance will be protected with isolated. Are you getting it? So, but with cross margin, okay, when you are taking a trade, okay, even if you enter the trade with, let's say, $50 or $100, all right, if the trade is going against you, all right, even without stop loss, you have a room, a space, in case if the trade is going against you, it will be very difficult for your account to get liquidated. Are you getting it? Because the what's it called? The entire capital under your futures wallet balance will serve as insurance, okay? That will cover you just in case if the market goes against you. So it will be very, very difficult for you to get liquidated. So, but at the same time, both have their advantage and disadvantage. So the disadvantage of cross margin is that if there is a particular coin, that's why you must always avoid shitcoin, or there is a flash crash in the market, your entire capital could get liquidated with cross margin. Your entire capital could get liquidated, even if you are using 2x or 3x leverage. All right. But if it is isolated, and you
With
have
robots, with CryptoFlow Bot, you have a security of stop loss intact, so it will protect you to lose little part of your capital.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I understand now.
Yeah.
Zoom get to the point of liquidation. In short, no single account using CryptoFlow Bot can be liquidated. You get it?
All right. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Because of the stop loss mechanism, attached to each and every trade the robot enters for you. So I think our time has been well invested and well spent here. I want to believe we've understood how we can go and maneuver using manual trade. Are we good to go?
Yes. Thank you so much, KK Success. God bless you.
Are we good to go? Coach Charles, are you good? Damilari Lawal, are you good? Doxa, Evans, Isaac, Jakes, Conke, Samsung, Spicy Billionaire, Sunday Ojemeri, Mr. Sunday, I cite you right there. Zoom user, I hope we are all good. Okay. Coach Charles says it's amazing. Repetition will be helpful. We'll try and be repeating that class once in a while. Yes, maybe Sunday like this. I normally have more time in Sundays, so probably. All right, see you 8 p.m. I'm still going to be the one taking us on 8 p.m. class. Now we've already spent 2 hours right here because we started this Zoom by 2. This is already 4 p.m. on dot. See you 8 p.m. in the night. Use the moment to invite your prospects and make sure your team are there. Use the Medium link, share with your prospect. I'm going to be the one presenting the business tonight, and it's going to be very, 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 very informative, very, very motivating and inspiriting. All right. So see you 8 p.m. Thank you. Bye for now.